school snacks that are sugar-free for our kids. Today we're making cheese puffs, or they're like a form of, I guess, keto popcorn that you can make, which is really, really cool, okay? And it's super easy to make, and we're going to get right to it. So when you pop on this video, say hi. So what we did here is you take cheese. We took mozzarella cheese, okay? So we have mozzarella cheese. We use those Cracker Barrel cheese slices, okay? And what we did is we cut them into little squares, okay? You see that? And then we set them out on the counter. We put like a little cake cover on top, okay? We set them out on the counter. It was 3 days for us, but you need to set them out for at least 48 hours, okay? So this is just cheese. It sat out for us 3 days. What it does, it dries the cheese out, okay? So you know how we make our cheese crackers with just normal cheese, stick it in the oven, and you have cheese crackers, right? With a little bit of salt. These, you let them sit out on the counter so they're nice and dry, okay? And then we spread them out just like this. We spread them out nice and good just like this. We put them on a cooking tray here, okay? So we're going to put these on here. Cooking tray. Make sure they're nice and spread out. Now when you put them in the oven, it is very important, okay, because they're a form of keto popcorn. You want to know why? Because they're dried out. They'll actually pop up, okay? So they puff out, yes, but they pop. It's really cool in the oven, okay? So we put parchment paper down on top of them so they don't pop all over your oven, okay? So you're going to stick this in the oven at 390, okay, for like 3 to 5 minutes, just until they're all popped up, okay? What you're actually going to get, we have some made here, are little cheese puffs. They're little cheese puffs, okay? So they're the tiniest little cheese puffs in the world. Okay, well, they're so good, okay? And literally, it's just like eating popcorn now. They're nice and crunchy, and they're basically just cheese. There's lots of calcium and protein for your kids. So this is a great back-to-school snack. Our girls love them, okay? They love them. Because our girls love popcorn. So when we make this, they can barely tell the difference, especially if you put like, because we make our own popcorn seasoning, so you can flavor them up any way you want. You can use any kind of cheese that you want. We use mozzarella the most because that's our favorite, but make it with any kind of cheese that you want doing it. The important thing is keeping it nice and thin, okay, when you're cutting it, and then keep them out for at least 2 days to dry out so they pop up. If they don't sit out for 2 days to pop up, they're not going to pop up, okay? They're just going to get brown and crispy in the oven, just like our cheese crackers that we make, okay? So that's the distinct difference between the two, even though they're made basically the same way, is that it's got to sit out for at least 48 hours. Okay, so I'm going to stick these in the oven, and then we're going to have some cheese puffs today. But that's our video for today. It was quick, simple, little cheese puffs. They're delicious treat, okay? You got to try them, all right? I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.